linear and non-linear texts.
Linear text is the traditional text that needs to be read from beginning to the end. Novels, poems, short stories, letters, educational texts, all those texts we read from the beginning to the end, or linear texts. Here, the reader makes sense of the text according to its grammar and arrangement of words. Linearity is a term used in statistics to describe a situation where there is not a straight line or direct relationship between an independent variable and a dependent variable. In a nonlinear relationship, change in the output do not change in direct proportion to change in any of the inputs.
Types of graphic organizers for nonlinear text. Concept map. A concept map or conceptual diagram is a diagram that depicts suggested relationships between concepts. Concept maps may be used by instructional designers, engineers, technical writers, and others to organize and structure knowledge.
Diagram is a widely used diagram style that shows the logical relationship between sets, popularized by John Venn in the 1880s. The diagrams are used to teach elementary set theory and to illustrate simply set relationship in probability, logic, statistics, linguistics, and computer science.
Circle map. The circle map is used to define a concept, word, or idea. The circle map is used to brainstorm ideas and show what you already know about a topic by using context information. This can be words, numbers, pictures, symbols, etc. to represent the object, person, or ideas you are trying to understand or define.
Spider mapping, which is sometimes called semantical map, is a graphic organizer that can be used for brainstorming ideas, aspects, and thoughts of normally a single theme or topic. It gets its name because of the way it looks when drawn up, typically done for writing stories, papers, and research brainstorming. You will chart, as its name implies, is a kind of chart to record your own ideas by labeling each section and then writing or drawing ideas in each section in the idea wheel chart. It is usually used to conduct simple calculation and look up information.
Idea web. Idea web is the most important or central thought of a paragraph or larger section of text, which tells the reader what the text is about. Find the main idea in each paragraph.
A diagram is a chart that begins with one central item and then branches into more and keeps branching until the line of inquiry begun with the central item is exhausted.
Organizational chart. Although it looks similar to a tree chart, an organizational chart has a different purpose. A tree chart separates information into sections that stem from each other as classification, while an organizational chart is more about hierarchy. An organizational chart is a diagram that visually conveys a company's internal structure by detailing the roles, responsibilities, and relationships between individuals within an entity. Organizational charts are alternatively referred to as org charts or organizational charts. Sequence of events chain. A sequence of events chain is pretty much the same as a flowchart. This type of graphic organizer is a visual representation of a process, progression, or set of instructions. Cause and effect map. The cause and effect map helps to figure out the causes and effects of certain events. The way to use it is to start with the main event, which fits the main central section of the map.
Thank you for watching.